Welcome to creating a hotspot with Creator Plus in D2L. The hotspot allows content creators to upload images and then assign clickable hotspots that students can open and learn more. Let's begin. Go to your module, select the new drop-down and create a file. Provide a name for the page, then click the icon and insert element. Select hotspot from the list. Click on the question mark icon to bring up some information that is useful regarding the hotspot. When ready, click on Add Image. Once image has been added, be sure to provide alternative text. Select the first hotspot by clicking a point on the image. Select the arrow to fill in the hotspot 1 information. In the content area, you can fill in a bit of information because this is the Brightspace editor. You can even change the marker detail and color. I now have made 3 hotspot markers for my image. When you are finished, be sure to add accessibility information for each image, then click Save and Insert.